I want to take just a couple of minutes to introduce this week's essay. And sometimes these reflections begin with something kind of small or an idea that you have, and then it kind of expands as you learn more and you delve into things. And that's pretty much what happened here. It started with remembering that we had a leak in our water heater last year. Now, it was the kind of thing that you don't notice it, and you don't notice it, and it gets worse and worse until finally you do notice it. And then all of a sudden you've got some damage to fix. And what was interesting to me, we'd never had anything like that before, was how small the damage looked like and how long it took to repair it. And it was a slow process before we could even start to rebuild it. We had to dry it out. They had to cut out the bad stuff. They had to put in a new water heater, so it cost us money. And it got me to thinking, this whole process that took so long, just what that has to do with life. And so I was thinking, and I thought that this kind of breaking that happens is also true in relationships. It's true in organizations. It's between the things we trust and the things we don't trust, the institutions, the governments, the organizations, the leaders. So I started thinking about that, and I started thinking about what does it take to restore those relationships? What does it take to restore that which has been broken? And it's true that restoration just isn't the same thing as remodeling. It's not the same thing as building something new, because once you've restored something, no matter what it is, no matter how long it took, it's always going to be different than it was. It may be just as strong or not as strong. It may be just as pretty. It could be prettier, but it's not going to be the same. So this piece is really about the exploration of that idea. And I've got a couple stories. I've got an old image from Japanese art. And through all is that question which we face in life. Do we try to restore what's been broken, or we just let it go? And if that's something you've been thinking about, I hope you'll take a few minutes to read this essay.